Okay, Bob and Drew. I was speaking with Drew earlier and told him about a how I put chapter one on Google Classroom, and I wanted to just show you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna go right from the beginning. I've got a little icon on my save bars that goes to Big Ideas Math. I'm gonna open it up, and um, then I'm in here. I'm in sixth grade math, and I'm going to click on the resource. So it pulls up, and I want to have chapter one or chapter two. Um, and then I'm going to scroll down to student edition. Student edition PDF. I want to click on it. When it opens up, and it's the whole thing right on the PDF. It opens up in there, but I'm going to download that. I'm going to click on the download icon. It's all in there, everything you got for chapter two. And I'm assuming that you can do something very similar for the high school. So I'm going to download it, and I'm going to put it on my desktop so I can find it easy. And I'm going to change the name to sixth grade chapter two. I know what it is. And it's going to save as a PDF. It does go down here, which is going to make it easier for me when I put it into Google Classroom. So I'm going to leave it there. If it doesn't go there, I'll show you how to do that as well. But I am going to go into Google Classroom, another little icon I have on my bookmarks bar. And I want to put that on my sixth grade classes, selecting that. And I'm going to go from the stream, I'm going to go to the classwork and create, do you have that? Some material. This was chapter two, so I'm going to label this chapter two math book and add it. I'm going to add it from a file, and then I'm going to upload that file. Because it's right here, I can just take that and drop it in. That's really cool. Or I could click the browse and go to the desktop and look for sixth grade chapter two and click open. It loads it slowly. It's there. I'm going to put a little description just because I'm going to this description. I guess I got text and I'm trying to figure that out. So this is chapter two of your textbook. And that's anyway. And I'm going to post that. It's going to go to all students. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, I want to change the topic. So I can do that now, though. And I do want to create a topic. I'm going to call that chapter two. I'm going to add that. And so it pops up here. And I'm going to move that, grab onto it, move it to chapter two. And I don't want chapter two to be before chapter one. And this, I want to be in another topic. So I want this to be. I get that. And that's kind of what I'm doing. And so I'm going to have that. And all my stuff that I'm doing right now is in the Start Remote Learning stuff. At least it will be for the first couple weeks. And then chapter two, chapter one. And as you go through topics, it's kind of cool if I want to go to that. If I have a lot of stuff, I can just go to chapter one, chapter two, and I'm going to have my kids do that. That wasn't part of downloading it, but it's kind of cool that we got the math book on there, I thought. Anyway. Oh, that was a full 5 minutes. Sorry, guys.